Guys, so excited to share with you my new dehumidifier I got from Amazon. This thing is awesome. If you are looking for easy to use, easy to set up product, this is a great go-to and it works so well. It comes with this awesome dehumidifier user manual, so you're able to look at all the different features this has. It's super great. What I love about this is it comes with this hose, so you can have your water or your moisture flowing out without worrying about the bucket if you're maybe gone for a long weekend. This hose is actually just placed right in here. So when you do get the product, you will find the hose right inside here. So this is your bucket that you can release. It has this nice handle so you can release it comfortably. And then it just has your awesome, where you can pour out the water from this corner. So that's a really great feature. But I love this product. This is super great in our basement. That's where we use it. But if you have a garage that's maybe gets a little bit humid and you just are trying to look for that humidity out, definitely check this one out. I'm going to plug it in and show you some of the features, but absolutely love it. It's super simple to cart around. It has this nice handle and it looks really nice and classy. So very beautiful design, and I'm going to go through and show you a couple of the features. So you should let this product stand for 24 hours before use. So that's a really great feature. The look of it, it's so beautiful. So 52 pentons of moisture, and then it has the adjustable humidity from 40 to 80%. You have your nice power on button that's just very calm and quiet. It has the option right on there that lets you know the percentage. If you have a timer, you want to set your time, you can do that. I can adjust it here by hours, so that's a really great feature. Touchscreen there. I could have it go all the way up to 24 hours. So very cool there. If you want to do different settings, you can do that depending on what you are hoping for, whether that's your moisture or just your comfort. So really great product. Higher fan, low, medium, and high. Feels really good and it works really well. So this is a very easy to use product. This is where you can add your hose if you are going to be gone and you would like to have your hose run. So it does come with that, which is a really great feature, but everything that you're going to need is going to be in your dehumidifier user manual, so that makes it really great and easy to use. If you're looking for a really great one, this is an awesome find on Amazon.